Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Elfster wishlist. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Elfster and you have an outdated wishlist. How do you actually go ahead and delete it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's actually click on wishlists over here. Next, you're going to click on the wish list, which you want to go ahead and delete. So on this wish list here, you can actually go ahead and click on the gear icon, then scroll down, and then click on delete wish list. So what this is going to do is that it's going to delete this old wish list from your Elfster so that you can create a new one. Alternatively, you could actually just delete each of these items individually by clicking on the trash can on the right hand side. But I would just recommend deleting the wish list as a whole and starting a new wish list. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your wish list on Elfster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.